There was a girl who loved me deep, yet I pushed her away. It was all my fault, my pride blinded my sight. If I say I'm alright, that would just be